Jesus Christ, kid.
You idiot! Saw me coming. Saw me coming. Lights are on. Saw me getting closer and closer and closer and closer, and threw you, E. Why? I was there. What did you expect to happen?
I missed the traffic lights anyway. They're new. Built them in the last couple of years. An idiot. Looking left, pulling out, didn't bother looking right.
Where are you going? He's hanging around, is he?
And that was the moment of his downfall after many years of lawfully using freedom of speech to...
Whoa! Whoa! Light. No, he will not. Where did you just come from? Jeez. Just making sure I was getting this.
No, that's fine. That blink in front is just nearly caused an accident. I mean, look at him. What a twat! Jesus Christ.
Flashing lights coming towards me, that can only mean one thing. Portable speed camera. Let's see how true that really is. Oh, he was right, wasn't he? Thank you, Mr. Minicab driver. Good morning from Nottinghamshire Police.
She's devising plan to stab him in the back. Man says the relationship's hanging by a strand, so she's been on the back.
Dick! What a dick! What you doing? Look at you twat! Yeah, dick.
Oh yeah, run the red light, colourblind bastard. Where are you going? Why have you gone there? Okay, some interesting manoeuvres. Well, if he goes back up the way he's just come down, you can't do because it's a bus lane. Oh right, nice one. Back where you were, are you? Nana. nice of them to look after us. Oh, oh dear, look at that. Taxi smash.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Whoops. That looks fairly recent as well. Crack. If you don't come back, then you know the crack. Forget about it.
Yeah.
Well, you know.
Although it was interesting because I'd come to the conclusion that we needed to provide them something.
Absolutely. But I do think it is a long time coming. But the thing is, how long does it take people to listen to you?
Jeez, are people stupid? Going straight into traffic. Idiots. Will you stop for the red light? Nope.
Turns out you're one of the 78% of us who just
Philadelphia's lawyers had asked, as Charles was saying, for house arrest, saying he was legally blind and too old and vulnerable. Credit to Montgomery County District Attorney Kevin Steele rejected it and said, quote, he was good at hiding this for a long time, good at suppressing this for a long time, so it's taken a long time to get there. Well,
But yeah.
You knobhead.
They're an interesting company as well because they give you a time frame, which I've always liked, so that you know when to expect the parcel. They tell you what time they're going to come.
That's interesting. I don't see a turn right here.
Often later on.
I don't see a turn right there anywhere, to be honest.
So yeah, good stuff. You're with BBC Radio Nottingham. What is your experience of online deliveries and online delivery?
It's not the travel. Challenge.
Oh, dearie me.
The adventure that makes joining the Army Reserve the best.
Is your character American?
No.
No. Is your character currently more than 50 years old?
Yes.
Yes. Ouch. Is your character white-haired?
Yes.
How did she deal with it?
She dealt with it by
Back up, there's a tram coming.
They'd been married for 61 years. They were each other's kind of first lady.
The reality in my life, you could have a seizure-free Christmas. I could have, hopefully. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it starts to take it and starts to work.
Hey, old Citroen.
My concerns, but the fight is not over now. I have to.
Stupid woman.
Why didn't she walk literally?
There's a crossing,
2
literally.
feet? Don't
Yeah.
say anything
I'm not
to her,
going to
it's
say
not
it to
worth
her. She said sorry in fairness, I'm not going to say it to her.
But literally 2 feet further up,
Yeah.
there was a crossing.
No, no.